Welcome back. Today we're going to install, or I'm going to show you guys how to install a rear roof spoiler. If you guys are interested in doing this, this is something that I've been wanting to do since thinking about getting the car. I really think this element adds a sportier look to the rear end, and it's pretty simple. It's just a quick DIY. So I'll show you guys how to prep it, install it, and what it looks like before and after. So let's get to it. Alright, so the rear roof spoiler would go on right here, and it goes all the way across, and this is what it looks like without any spoiler. Still looks pretty good, but I feel like that extra element at the top will make it pop. So I'll show you guys how to clean it. You want to take some alcohol, some rubbing alcohol, and then wipe down the entire surface here and all the way across. And then you also want to do the same thing on the spoiler itself. So I'll show you guys what tools are needed and we'll get it going. What you'll need is some double-sided heavy-duty tape. I got this from my Lowe's. It was about $7 a roll, and that's what you'll be using to stick the spoiler on. You'll need some alcohol to clean the surfaces of both the car and the spoiler, and then you'll need a spoiler. This is the gloss black spoiler that I had got off of eBay. I believe it was 80 bucks. It's pretty good quality. I'm pretty hesitant on buying stuff off of eBay that are related to car parts because you never know how they'll be or if they'll even fit your car, but this one turned out pretty good and it looks flawless. So I'll show you guys how to get it prepped up and then we'll install it onto the car. I went ahead and scored it down the middle to make it easier to install, so when I'm installing it, it's not just getting stuck. So this allows me to position it with the film still on it, and then once I get it in the right place, I can start peeling these back. And so that is the quick DIY install of a rear roof spoiler. As you can see, it lines up perfectly. It's pretty well on there. It's not going to come off, and yeah, it's that simple. And again, I think it adds aggressiveness to the rear, and it adds just another element to the car.